Hello, everyone. Welcome back. My name is Leslie. If you haven't been here before, happy Friday. That's right, folks. We're at the beginning of the weekend. But I had to share some happy mail with you. I got in my to-move filament, and there is so much of it that I am just going to start with these ones. These are little reels. I believe that they say 0.25 kilograms. But they are perfect for testing these colors to see if I like them. And wow, they are vivid. Look at that blue, guys. Now this one here is a silk. It does not give us the exact color, but it is a silk, and it's just blue. I love that. Then we have another silk. This will be so great for Halloween, won't it? For our pumpkins and so forth. Loving that. This one here does give us a color. I don't know. I can't explain it, but it gives us the color of skin. And it is not a silk, it is just a PLA. Now here we have another silk PLA. And to me, it looks like a green, like an army green. So that will be nice for Christmas. And then we have this one, which is a silk PLA. And I do believe it's going to turn out looking a cross between a gray and a silver. But then, we're not done. We have this one, and these ones come in at 0.25 kilograms or 0.55 pounds, yada, yada, yada. This one is a silk, and it is black and greenish gold. Isn't that gorgeous? Also in a silk, we have a dark blue green. I would open them, but I don't want to let any more moisture into the package until I'm ready to use them, because it is very important to print with dry filament to get a good print. So, all right, this one is PLA silk in gold, silver, and copper. So this, I wonder if I can get you a better, there you go, should be stunning. Then we have a PLA silk in gold, red, and orange. Oh yeah, you can see all the colors right there. But we're not done. And guys, these last cardboard rolls that I'm showing you are all one order. They came as a kit. So this one is a blackish green silk. So there we go. Then we can carry on to this one, which is a PLA silk in sky blue, silk purple, and silk black. I am just adoring these colors. These all appear to be PLA silk, but if that changes, I will let you know. They are. This one is rose red, sky blue, and green. And it does request that you print between a 190 and a 230 Celsius. Then we're moving on to a sky blue and green. Sometimes it's just as good to give you a little peek at the side there. And still more to come. We have a red, gold, and purple. So we're covering all the bases on this one. Then I'll save one of my favorites for last. We have what is this one? Sky blue, purple, and yellow. So that should make a nice combo. And on this one, we have sky blue and purple. And now on what I think will be my favorite, we have black red. Let me see if I can get you a good look at it. Doesn't that look nice? I like it. Okay, so we've got all these filaments to play with. What have we been doing? We have been making ghost cats and the famous Labubu. So over here, I'll swing you over. The S1 Cobra just finished printing the Labubu's face. What I love about this one is the fact that it is printing on each color on separate plates. So if like today I run out of time, I can go ahead and print the rest tomorrow. And I avoid a lot of poop because there's no color changes, okay? So when I printed these, the file said that they would be 2 inches tall, which was about where I wanted them, a good 2 inches. They are 1 1/4 inches. So what I did was, I'll take you over to the bamboo printer now. I doubled their size. So I should end up with a 2.5 inch, I'm hoping. So I'll have the big one and then I'll have the 2 smalls. I'll get the eyes on that one done. I'll get Labubu here all put together. His eyes are printed for me, so I don't have to worry about that. But I will get the kitty cat eyes completed and they will be ready. Now to make some decisions about all of this filament piled like a mountain in front of me. I have some pretty awesome colors here to try out, guys. And if they do work out, I will let you know. And if they don't work out, I will let you know. Either way, it's one big experiment. All right, guys. Here's hoping that you have a great weekend, that you get to do what you love. If you've enjoyed this video, please feel free to push the like button, leave a comment, and or subscribe. And I will talk to you again soon in whatever comes next. Bye.